Hey guys, we're back again today, trying our luck. And today we have a winner chicken dinner. We have 3 of the new Unos, 9, 10, and 11, and a loose change multiplier to make up our $15. So, this is what we're starting with. You scratch the play area to reveal coins. If the coins add up to over $1, you win the prize shown. If you reveal a 2x, 3x, or 5x in any spot, you instantly win the prize multiplied by that multiplier symbol. And the odds on this one? They're 1 in 4.89. And we have our Scratch and Mama dog tag. I have them available for $5 each. I have PayPal and Cash App, 8 different colors. Let's zoom on in here. Alright. See if our math is mathing today. We have a 5. 25, that makes 30. 31, 41, 42, and 43. So no winner on that one. But that's alright, because we're going to play Uno. You scratch your cards up here, and it will give you a number and a color that you scratch down here. If you complete a whole row, you win the prize shown. And in the bonus up here, if you find a dollar amount, you win that amount. And the odds, 1 3.99. We can zoom in a little bit here so you can see that a little better. All right. 1 green. 6 green. 6 red. 6 yellow. That's 6, 6, 6 together. It's not very nice. 2 yellow. 7 yellow. They're giving us all the yellows we don't have. 0 red. 0 green. 1 blue. 9 green. 7 blue. 1 red. 5 blue. 4 yellow. 3 green. 1 yellow. 0 yellow. 6 blue. 8 blue. So we just need a blue yellow up here. Or a blue yellow. That made sense. A blue 0. A green 8. A yellow 8. So we need a green 5 down here. A red 5. 8 red. 9 red. And our last one is a 9 yellow, which is right here. So I don't think there's any winners on that one. Need a dollar amount up here. We got to try again. Well, I guess we will then. 2 green. 2 red. Blue, 9. Zero, yellow. 5 red. Blue, 0. A blue, 3. We don't have one of those. How about a yellow, 6? A yellow, 8. A blue, 4. A yellow, 5. A blue, 5. A yellow, 9. A yellow, 7. Red, 9. Blue, 8. One red. 3 green. Blue, 7. Yellow, 1. 0 red. 9 green. 8 green. 3 yellow. And a 2 yellow. So I don't think there's anything on this one either. And no bonus. I'll try one more of those. Trying to get through them quickly for you guys. Don't want to keep you too long. 3 yellow. 8 green. 6 green. 1 red. 7 green. 0 in the yellow. 2 red. 1 blue. 6 red. 9 green. 7 blue. 1 yellow. 7 red. 5 red. 0 green. 8 blue. 3 blue. 5 green. 4 green. 2 blue. 5 blue. 4 blue. 3 green. 0 blue, 7 yellow. All right, so I don't see a winner there. Of course, I'm going to scan these to make sure. So sorry, but I really don't think they are. Sorry for keeping you so long, though. And our last ticket of the day is the winner chicken dinner. And as I mentioned, win, there is a egg symbol for double, chicken for 5 times, and that trophy is all 15 prizes. Then on the back, we have the buttermilk biscuit bonus, and we need to find a stick of butter. And the odds, they're 1 in 3.91. So we'll go ahead and zoom in. We'll start with the back. And we will use our friend Foo Scratcher's coin. All right, we need a stick of butter back here. Not a barrel, a barn, a tractor, hay, some corn, and a piggy. All right, so nothing on the back. Let's see what we're looking for here on the front. 39, 6, 14, and 33. I have 12. 5 is 1 off. 9, 23, 24, 13 is 1 off. Lonely number 1, 37, 29, 36, 4, 7, 26, 3, and 18. So we tried today, but we failed. But we're going to try again tomorrow. So if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, comment, share. Post every day at 11 a.m. Central. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye.